we got the real numbers a and b such that a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equal to 10 times a square plus b square. Then we want to find the value of a plus b by a minus b. Can we do it? Of course, yes. Let's do it. We write the given identity a to the power 4 plus b to the power 4 equal to 10 times a square b square. So we got this identity. Now we can write this one as, the left hand side can be written as a square whole thing square plus b square whole thing square equal to 10 times a square into b square. We know the formula x square plus y square equal to x plus y whole thing square minus 2xy. That is simply obtained by using the formula x plus y whole thing square equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So we write this expression a square is x and b square is y to obtain a square plus b square whole thing square minus 2xy. So 2 into a square into b square. That's equal to 10 number of a square into b square. Now we have 2 number of a square b square, of course with negative sign, and 10 number of a square b square. Can we combine it? Of course, yes. Let's take this 2a square b square to the right hand side to obtain a square plus b square whole thing square equal to 10 plus 2, side change, sign change, 10 plus 2 is 12 a square b square. Now taking square root both sides, before taking square root on both sides, we once again recall something. If x square equal to y square, then we must have that x equal to either plus y if they are of same sign or minus y if they are of different sign. So we take the square root on both sides. So we take root on both sides to obtain that a square plus b square equal to plus minus root 12, that can be written as root 4 into root 3, and root 4 is 2. So 2 root 3 and then ab. Now remember, we'll take positive sign if ab were positive, and we'll say take negative sign if ab were negative, because left hand side is positive, so right hand side has to be positive. That is possible if we take positive sign when ab were positive and negative sign when ab were negative. So we may not mention it, but we are simply assuming it. Now let's look at what we want to find. We want to determine the value of a plus b by a minus b. But we got the value of, let's say got the value rather than expression for a square plus b square. Now do we have expression for a square plus b square in terms of a plus b? Yes. X square plus y square equal to x plus y whole thing square minus 2xy. Let's apply it once again. So we can write this as a plus b whole thing square minus 2ab equal to, right hand side we just copy as it is. Okay, once again we will like to take ab to the right hand side. Last time we have taken a square b square to the right hand side, so this time ab to the right hand side. So we obtain a plus b whole thing square equal to plus minus 2 into root 3 times ab plus 2ab. Side change, sign change. Now once again we will take root to obtain a plus b equal to, I can take root 2 common, square root of ab plus minus root 3 times ab. Remember, if ab were positive, then we will take this positive sign, so square root of positive sign quantity makes sense. If ab were negative, we will take the negative sign, and ultimately this will be positive, and root 3 times AB is definitely bigger than AB. So we have determined A plus B in term of AB, right? But we just don't want simply A plus B. We want A minus B as well. So let's do it. In order to do so, let's write this one as equation 1. So by equation 1, A square plus B square equal to plus minus 2 root 3 times AB. Is there some formula that connects A square plus B square and A minus B? The answer is yes. We simply know that A minus B whole thing square equal to A square plus B square minus 2AB. So A square plus B square can be written as A minus B whole thing square plus 2AB. So A square plus B square is A minus B whole thing square plus 2AB. Alright, that's equal to plus minus 2 root 3 times AB. Once again, we take this plus 2AB to the right hand side to write A minus B whole thing square equal to plus minus 2 root 3 times AB minus 2AB. Okay. So we take the root both side, taking square root on both sides. So as previous work, A minus B equal to square root of plus minus 2 root 3 times AB minus 2AB. Does this make sense? Yes. If AB were positive, then 2 root 3 times AB is bigger than 2AB, so it will be positive quantity. If AB were negative, then we will take negative sign, so 2 root 3 times AB will be positive, and this will be bigger than 2AB, so it makes sense. Lastly, we have found A plus B as this quantity. Let us write this one as equation 2. And then we have determined A minus B as well in terms of AB though. Let's write this as equation 3. And we divide equation 2 by equation 3. So dividing equation 2 by equation 3, we obtain left hand side A plus B by A minus B, A plus B by A minus B. What about right hand side? Root 2 times square root of AB, we can take AB common but inside the square root, 1 plus minus root 3. What about denominator? Denominator also we can take root 2 out of the square root. Oh, plus minus. It may happen that A plus, oh, I forgot plus minus here, right? Okay, plus minus. It may happen that A plus B is positive and A minus B is negative. So, we'll just write plus or minus. If both are of same sign, it will be plus. If both are of opposite sign, then it will be minus. And then we can write root as it is. We can take AB common from the root. And we will be left out with, when we take AB common, 2 also taken common. So, plus minus root 3 minus 1. Okay, we know that root of x divided by root of y is simply root of x by y. So plus minus as it is, root 2 gets cancelled. Once again, root of x by root of y equal to root of x by y. Okay. Now we see we can cancel AB as well. Of course, if A and B were 0, then we'll do it separately. So this is equal to plus minus square root of 1 plus minus root 3 divided by minus 1 plus minus root 3. Therefore, we can write therefore a plus b by a minus b equal to plus minus square root of, as we said that if AB were positive, then we will take positive sign. If AB were negative, then we will take negative sign. So we are just forced to say that these are the only choices, minus 1 plus root 3 or plus minus square root of 1 minus root 3 divided by minus 1 minus root 3. Can we simplify those expressions? Yes. We simply rationalize the denominator. So we multiply by root 3 plus 1, numerator and denominator, but inside the square root. So root 3 plus 1 whole thing square divided by root 3 square minus 1 square, that's simply equal to 3 minus 1, but inside square root, comma. Let's make this quantity a little bit simple. We just multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1 to get root 3 minus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Once again, we multiply numerator and denominator divided by root 3 plus minus 1. We are simply rationalizing it, of course, inside the square root. So root and square will get cancelled. So we will be left out with root 3 plus 1 by root 2. Of course, plus minus. I forgot the plus minus. Plus minus. Again, root 3 minus 1 will get square and root will get cancelled. So root 3 minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, we got the final solution. Therefore, a plus b by a minus b equal to root 3 plus 1 by root 2 comma minus of root 3 plus 1 by root 2. What about this one? Root 3 minus 1 by root 2 comma, if I write minus, then 1 minus root 3 by root 2. And we are done. We got 4 number of solution.